Hey guys, it's Payel here. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have come up with this look. This is a very basic look that I can wear it every day, and you don't need any foundation for this. And yeah, if you are office going, college going, or any other kind of work going, you can definitely wear this. I think it takes almost 15 minutes for me to create this look. If you want to know how I have gone from this to this, then keep on watching. The first step that I like to do after cleansing my face is moisturizing my face. This is the Lotus Herbals Nutramoist Skin Renewal Daily Moisturizing Cream with SPF of 25 for all skin types. This is really a good one for me, like very lightweight and deeply moisturizes my skin. And yeah, I don't feel like a burning sensation or anything bad. I do have a very sensitive skin, but I don't feel any kind of bad reaction or bad thing about this product. So I like to massage this cream all over my face and then neck area very gently, and then let it sit for 5 minutes. Next I am going for SPF sunscreen lotion. Though that moisturizer had SPF of 25, but I like to prefer some sunscreen lotion which is around SPF of 50. So out of this two sunscreen lotion, one from Lotus and another from Body Shop, I'm going to take little bit of the Body Shop sunscreen lotion and apply it on all over my face. Next, for powder, I'm going to take this L'Oreal Paris 2 Match Minerals Skin Improving Foundation. So basically it is mentioned that it's a foundation, but I feel it's very lightweight. I don't feel like a foundation. It's very smoothing and has a very cooling effect also. And when I read about the benefits of this powder, I found like it is written it's a skin improving foundation, breathable mineral powder that improves the appearance of skin, so it feels smoother and looks healthier. It also has SPF of 19 and it is tested under dermatological control, tested on sensitive skin. It's non-comedogenic, talc-free and fragrance-free. So what I like to do, I like to take a little bit of the powder and apply it on all over my face using a brush like this. If you don't have this, you can use any compact powder, lightweight compact powder which is matching to your skin tone, and apply it on all over your face. This is going to give a little bit of coverage, and I do have an oily skin. If you have an oily skin, this will make sure you don't look oily. Next, you can see I have little bit of black spots in my face, so I'm going to take a concealer. This is the concealer from Wet n Wild. It is matching to my skin color, and you can take any concealer, but it should not be lighter than your skin tone. It should be exactly matching, or maybe little bit of orangish or little bit darker than your skin tone, but it should not be lighter to your skin tone. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the tip of the concealer and slightly apply it on the areas I have dark spots. And yeah, whenever I have little bit of less sleep, I tend to have little bit of dark circles around my eyes. So what I like to do, I like to apply a little bit of concealer on the corners of my eyes and little bit on the eyelids, near my mouth, and yeah, basically I am spot concealing those areas. And then using this brush, little bit of the brush or the applicator which you are having with the concealer, I'm going to spread the product. If you don't have any black spot or dark circles in your face, then you can totally skip this step. This is needed only if you have any kind of black spot or any place to cover, or any place you have discoloration, you find like little bit it is darker than your skin tone. Like I have little bit of discoloration near my mouth, so I like to apply little bit of the concealer under my lips near my mouth. So after once I have blended the concealer on all the areas I have dark spot, I'm going to take the same brush which I have used for applying the powder and blend everything nicely. Next I'm going to take the same L'Oreal powder and set the cream concealer on all over my face, and this is going to give a very beautiful finish to my face, and I'm not going to my spot marks are almost going to disappear because of this tip. Next I'm going to go for my brows. This is the Colorbar brow pencil in the shade Chestnut 01. So the best part of this pencil is it has a spoolie, and on the other side you have the pencil. And also whenever I'm going for more natural and look where I don't put much makeup, I like to go for a warm toned brow shade instead of a cool tone. So this warm tone brow shades are not means reddish brown shades does not look harsh on your face. Wherever if you wear a cool tone or dark brown brow pencil, that may look harsh on your face. So I'm going to slightly fill my brows, nothing dramatic, nothing extra, just apply the product and then comb my brows like this. This is going to fill my brows without looking extra bold or harsh. Next I'm going to apply some Kajal. So this is my favorite Kajal. This is by Plum, and also I have a giveaway for this. Don't forget to check it out on my channel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a line close to my lash line, and I'm going to make a wing. So what I like to do, I like to make a point at the outer corner of my eye, and I also make sure to fill all the gaps near my lash line. So I go very close to the lash line. I don't like Kajal, wearing Kajal with some gaps. That does not I feel that does not look good. So I'm going to go very close to my lash line, and when I go to the outer corner, I make a very small wing. And then what I like to do, using my finger, I like to clean the wing, and this gives a very pointed wing effect. And yeah, next I like to join the wing with my lash line and to make a very beautiful wing line like this. This is very simple, very easy, and because this Kajal dries up after some time, you need to make sure that you rub this very quickly. After applying it only you have to rub this, and once it dries up, this is not going to move at all. Whole day you are going to wear this, it is going to stay on your eyes. And if you are sweating or anything is happening to your eyes, anything like this, Kajal is not going to move at all. I have tried this Kajal a lot of times, and I found like this Kajal is in place for long time. Next I am going to line my lower lash line also. For lining my lower lash line, what I like to do, I like to put more Kajal near the outer corners. The outer corners of my lower lash line is quite thick, and the more I go close to the inner corner of my eye, I make sure to make it very thin. So this way it gives a very smoky effect, and also it does not look harsh, like you don't feel like I put Kajal for my lower lash line. Next I am going to apply some mascara, couple of coats of mascara. You can use any mascara, but I love this one also, the Maybelline, the Falsies Push Up Drama, and I make sure to take 2-3 minutes to apply mascara for my upper and lower lash line. Next, for lipstick, either you can go for a pink. This is a beautiful fuchsia pink, or you can go for a nude lipstick, this one by NYX, or you can go for a brown lipstick. Today I'm going to go for this lipstick by Body Shop. This is a very beautiful matte lipstick. The color is very beautiful and it looks like, you know, you have smashed some pomegranate and applied it on your lips. So beautiful, very lightweight, and also it has stain, also it stays in your lips for all day. And also I like to carry compact powder. You can carry any compact powder, the L'Oreal Infallible, Rimmel Stay Matte, or the compact powder from Wet n Wild. I like to take the L'Oreal Infallible because it has a sponge and also it has a mirror. So what I like to do whenever I am sweaty, in meantime, I like to take out a little bit of the sponge and dab like this on all over my face. Generally I don't take extra product. Whatever is there in the sponge, I like to take that and dab that sponge on all over my face, and it is going to pull out all the oil I do have in my face after 2-3 hours. So this is the touch up I like to do whenever I go outside with makeup. So yeah, that's the finished look. So this is how I like to go for my summer. This is how I like to go out whenever it is too hot summer, and still I like to do some makeup on my face. So this makeup I like to wear. And yeah, if it is very sunny outside, make sure to wear a pair of sunglasses. This is going to protect your eyes. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave, and hit the notification bell so that you get updated every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.